Hello, so Aldo fam, and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will show you how to make a ball gown for an 18 inches tall doll. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. The first thing I will do is make a pattern for the dress. Here I am just using a dress that I already have. I am just going to copy the bodice. I'm going to transfer it on the paper, and I will add 1/4 inch seam allowances on all sides. Then I will cut it out. Right after that, I am going to fold the pattern in half, and I'm going to cut it as well. So I will have front and back bodices. And then I'll go ahead and label it. So this one I'm going to label back, and I will add 1/4 inch seam allowance here just because I will add some buttons at the back, and then the front is going to be cut on fold. And then I'll go ahead and place the pattern on the fabric following the label that I put on the patterns. So this one is going to be the front bodice, and then I'll go ahead and cut it out. And I will repeat the same step on the back bodice, only I will add 1/4 inch seam allowance for the fasteners at the back. And you should have 3 pieces, one for the front bodice and 2 pieces for the back bodices. Here I have a rectangular fabric, and it is 22 by 9 inches. And then I went ahead and finished the neckline and the armholes. It is very important to finish the hemlines first because it will be impossible to finish later on just because the dress is so small. After that, I am going to join the shoulder seams and the side seams. And for the bottom of the dress, I simply did a basting stitch on the top edge of the fabric, and I'm going to lightly gather it to match the bodice waistline. And then I'll go ahead and sew it from here all the way to the other end. Now I am going to close the back seam. I'm going to place a clip right here, and I'm going to sew from here all the way down. After that, I am going to add some snap buttons at the back. I added 3 of them, and all what's left to do is finish the hemlines, and the dress is done.